Tosania. Tosalan Mozia.
Okolo deluli delumali. Obogundi bo diakanali. Mazina di kalwoi. Abu manibi neme wande muno malogamoi. Itulungari di tulubrai. Ipulu wasino gadi di bomulu zamozo matete. Ipulu wasina mebwade mebundi boga musilili kwewelundugi mwai. Weponya boku. Abulo kwepulu mwai. Ibobi bokudolugi wanda boy. Credo wari kudolugi oi. Makani mana budele sene nuwa wanda munese getili. Gidi wanda munokwa nugweze kantu kanali. Mbamba kana balakoi. Gedi wage mabana wanda mune nuwa wanda muwe swanya ni. Namune beluga beluga gondo na risike. Na beluga beliva kwa kuniva mwa. Na sigi no tolu koge megine no wa wanda mchukudi so da tie kwenyali. Sigi opulu ba wete gine no wa wanda moba na boge tiri kwebe.
Tokodi okuchara moyi.
Sama marugo no bona bele belu no kwe moyi kamu na belu chuku. Uchimo dengligli agaba mweli bobo gana taluli uno. Ochimo dengligli agaba mweli bobo geluli luno. Olamadi kendi bo bianu lono mwana credo mandrina bogide bubu bianali. Mbana bala bo bianali. Obogu wane
dị anyị mkpa. Odogwu nwoke.
Ọ dị anyị mkpa ọhamadike ndị Igbo. Ọ dị anyị mkpa anyị na-ayọ gị.
Isi Chukwu anyị na-arịọ gị ka inye ya ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ.
Anyị na-ayọ gị.
Onye nwe anyị na-ayọ gị ka inye ya ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ.
Anyị na-ayọ gị.
Onye nwe anyị na-ayọ gị ka inye ya ogologo ndụ ka anyị na-ayọ.
Jack can close the door. Okay, so please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are going to start without wasting much of time. We have spent 6 minutes. I can see some of us on comment section. God bless you for joining me this hour. All I need from you is your time, your ear, and your comment. Like the video and share. Okay, please do that. I have actually flashed some of the people on the comment section, but I'm gonna call the name quickly so we can know. You need to. Evans Ike, I have to appreciate you because you have been very, very consistent. You know, each time I start, you are. I don't know why. Why is it that once I give people spanner, I'm not like recent people. Once I give them spanner, they started dodging from the platform. I won't see them anymore. I won't hear. Just once in the blue moon, they will come. But some of them were, you know, kind of showing concern. Oh, what does it take for you to give me spanner? Give me. Once I give the spanner, they started dodging and all that. So, you know, what spanner means is kind of, to me, what it means to me is kind of to, to appreciate you. And not only that, and they expect you to also to moderate. Like if anybody is spamming the platform, you can help me and, you know, time the person out and all that. But some of us, many people that I get spanner, they're taking it for granted. So maybe within this weekend, I may revisit my spanner and remove many people from my spanner and consider those that I'm gonna give. Reason because many of us are very, very okay, but you know what I'm talking about. Like this guy. This is our brother. I don't know you if I say a guy, please. Maybe you are a mature man, maybe you are an elderly person. If I really have to appreciate you. Each time I start live stream, he will be the first person. For some time now, and I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. And I don't know why you are receiving more notifications than many people. I can see that, but I have to appreciate you. Oh, go Waka. Emmanuel, I see Emmanuel. Emmanuel, Chuku Sunday is here, and Christopher Chuku Emeka is with us. Okay, Nwokafo. I see Nwokafo. Ma Chuku Okikebia Magozegi, Yangozugwe, thank you. And we have Ben Iwu, one of us. Ben Iwu is one of the people that have been here for some time. I appreciate the one Emalagema, our own brother Obi-Wan. How are you? Okay, Makande Beku, Namamudonachi. Tina is here. Kai, no notification though. You see, that is from the platform. But these are brother always receive notification on time, honestly. And is in Perpetua. I see you, Kai. Well done. Thank you, my name. Olo State, our own brother is here. Doreen, I greet you, ma. You're welcome. And Tina is Tina own is different. Tina is an ambassador. Benjamin, I see you. Benjamin Ugo, I see you. Ogwejo 4 and Emi Sami. Truth must be told. Another powerful person. I appreciate you. Ezekiel. My brother, triple Ezekiel. How come I just didn't triple Ezekiel? You're welcome. So this evening we are going to go to the program straight. Okay, Zik, I see you. You are just coming. I see you. God bless all of you. Please do me a favor, like the video and make sure you share it if you have where to share it, like Facebook, YouTube group, and all that. Sorry, WhatsApp group and all that. Now, I saw this video.
Hello, wonderful Biafrans, lovers of freedom, my people. I have come here today to address one simple issue. There's a picture you will see of our APM where it says, "Leave me alone."
Fine. This is a woman called Betty Ford. Betty Ford is she says she's a Biafran. I don't know, because some of us I don't mean to. I'm not the type that like to drive joy in talking down on elderly people. Like if you are matured enough or you are far older than me, I give you that kind of respect without you even demanding for it. But don't take it for granted. Okay, now okay, snyamaro egwana boke ya run. Okay. They claim nyamaro how to iguana. Igbo language. Okay, I run a cable. Okay, snyamara so ndi na nodo n'ikwe. Okay, I run a cable. Okay, na go. In terms of education, she's educated. Because someone told me that this woman is a lawyer in UK, but I think they have seized her license. I start to be corrected. That's what somebody said. I don't know her in person. I don't know her anything about her place. But rumor has it that she's a lawyer practicing in UK, but due to her magomago and all this shortcut life, somehow her license was seized. I'm not here to celebrate that because that offers me nothing. Why I'm saying that, what I'm trying to touch on that is that some of us behave in this thing going on and about our people, about everything. Some of us, do you know that some of us behave the way they normally behave, like a criminal? I'm not saying that she's a criminal, please understand me. Somebody who is a criminal that you yourself, all of you don't know, that boya can't do on a market, but on that, but picking pocketers. Then I'm the wallet, you know, it's your wallet, or maybe now, imagon, abagia market, but not a water post, whatever they go now. That you don't know that before jail, this why. Maybe during the time of the person's youthful age or puberty age, if I had a lineage in there, no if you're man under. Nandi get to the village. Then somebody that is you that is from Aburune Shiji. Na gari wolo ihulo wa wana chana bani me poga na ubonde mado boji buba na begi. It's always stigma and they were tag for that kind of thing. So whatever you are doing in your own personal life, sometimes sometimes that attitude is reflecting in Biafra movement or Ngolo when they buy in Kumakofa. Ega for somebody deliberately, somebody mad at me if I never get that than but he don't want you to know. But give the person time. That thing on the men and so or not reflect if organization about time. Na-akụ n'ụzọ ndị na-akụ n'ụzọ na-eche nwoke ga-akpafa wee na ya dị achọ m ịgba n'afa ịma ndị na-ekwu were bụta that kind of thing a na-ebubu ya batakwa n'ife a na-emekwetu. If somebody do good na form padi gang of a person, like there's a word for that, like people that have common purpose. They want to back themselves up. They want to help themselves. They know they are, na guy, half now, padi, that kind of thing. I change these people. They are just, they know, they won't know. Kai change there, kai go when there, na iga, but na wada no na call na kupo de dota. Fasting guy, in the highway. Fanowa. Any slanted chance. He will go to that teenage without any if you like a gabu gomas na Catholic or Bugo Anglican. Kacha high mass in a guy called the Vanobara. You know what are the points? And him and I say that the fool at 40 is a fool forever. Many of them are above 40. So don't expect them to start behaving turn to state overnight because give them time. Have flash, I'll go awkward with man and that awkward is that they go bring up. Born and they can on how to on the happy state. I'm not referring to this woman, oh, please. I'm just what I'm saying that is general issue, okay? Because she's not the only one that have one okay way. Okay, butchery water, but possible. Their tongue is no longer for anything truthful. They are never baptism because they are confirmation. If you're a Catholic, you know what I'm talking about. And give that now, Mama Biko, can if you this problem now? We are in a very good, we are in a very difficult time. If I need to get a bezook, can you go buy a bezook? What is going on? Upon I see how we are benefiting. Okay, so what do you want me to say now? You should not jacket on a promote this lie based on no film, no years rule that in all actually I will see go chop now. And the I will see go chop. APM, our APM said, our APM said, our and they'll always have a way to pave their way to make sure that they have occupy a seat now front seat. They want to be there. They like a PM know me, I know PM. I have handshake with PM. PM love this kind of perfume because I have been close to PM. I cannot know the kind of perfume that PM normally spray on his body. You know that kind of thing. PM is this, PM is that. PM was palm is very soft. Oh, it's very hard. I have several handshake with him. They will go to PM with they will pretend to be there. Once you give them a chance, able to go seek their true color. All this I'm saying now is you will see the reflection of what I just said now in this video that this woman made here. Okay, I have said it. I'm not going to start analyzing the go to 247 video or start talking and using that to do video. But when how will I make video more? Will I make a video too? In what again? That is me because my own. I have my reasons. Not for another thing. And hopefully, Ugo is not a problem to anybody. I have said it time with that number here. Ugo 247 is not a problem to you or anybody. If you see him as your problem, you are just looking for a problem. So far, he's not your problem. Yes, he resigned, and so what? Everybody can resign. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu kwasị na aka onye dị mma aka adịghị maka iji efiri dis na na bed. Or I can buy, I cannot go. You make your choice. Now, Dines neighbor na to te pome. So, can have been a no neighbor gonna do. Oh, if you may let the some of us are trying to become prophet and prophetess at the same time. In name that I no ya go as I got not the go again if you do that. Therefore, you started acting on that all the wrong. Okay, is the case no making nobody defend him. What I said now, does it sound to you that I'm here to defend Ugo? I said that I don't want to analyze the video. The reason is because he's not the problem. What he says, I don't see it as something that warranted able to start talking. See, what he said is his own opinion. What I'm saying is my opinion. And when you start seeing his opinion as a problem to you, that means you're not sure of what you're doing there. So, you may say it's a respect. Yeah, you're right. Okay? But not when Fallback and 40 begin to use that to get back at USB banner. We go touch like that was much more. This woman they quite lucky now because there was a brother that called me from UK, not secret you, on a live broadcast and told us people. Some of you that watched the video, I hope you can remember that day. Although I did not take it serious, which is a very, very big mistake that I made. That kind of video is a video that's supposed to have recorded it while he was saying that he narrated this woman's history and put it out there. And based on the way she's acting and behaving, I don't have any reason to doubt those things that that brother said in that very day. But no problem. Another day, maybe that our brother may decide, again, one or two things. so that you know it not matter. Not for anybody to go and attack her, but for you to know thinking of an emife. Man, I'm not dog or checking. Whereas that person has a lot of questionable issues surrounding him or her. They preaching how to respect and how to be truthful, how to be upright. But in your lineage, in your life, in your lifestyle and everything, there's nothing upright. There's nothing to write home about, no dignity, no respect, no nothing whatsoever. But you want to see yourself as a lecturer of how to live decent life, how to be respectful, how to be truthful, how to be this and that. You can't give what you don't have. Please, if you're just joining us, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let us go straight to the program. Like I said, listen.
Biafran's time has come for us to leave our APM alone and focus on the ball. And that is how to get Biafra. Biafra is our religion. We must evangelize. We must not bring anything that will bring Biafra down, rather than something that we keep lifting it up.
Okay. You see how she's establishing her words. Someone that have your own mind will think that this woman is actually saying, making point, don't bring something that will disrupt the Biafra movement, bring something that is good and that. Following Genkere, of what help is it to Biafran progress? Like seriously, you know that he's financial minister that did not even deliver properly. What are the point? Is a very long time ago. Yes, if this is your comment here, just validate what I said. Because I am happy that you still remember that somebody that watched that video is here with us today. Okay, so I'm happy for that. It's a long time ago, like you say, a very long time ago. But then we did not expect this thing to drag to this level and this woman to start having voice, because she's not that. You see, what she's trying to do now is not about to go; it's about USB. Because in an attempt to the name I want to expose to go 247, she will also bring it back to Biafra. You guys have seen it. That even you go that work with USB now is not telling you that USB is it is. I know where she's trying to land. And some people who cannot reason for themselves will listen to that and run with it and it's true. Oh, it's true. No. We need to start also checking your own profile and trying to understand your own decision so far. Speaking of what you must do to help Biafran government and to help Biafrans and all that, can you also tell us of what help is your decision so far in issues that relate to Azaya Yogo and Fallback Republic? Of what benefit do you think that has offered to Biafrans? That BLA is destabilizing, running helter-skelter without the love they have for Biafran have for them now is somehow disappearing. It's cause of who? Part of your decision is your decision also is there. And that's why when I listen to Eggman, I feel like vomiting. I don't see him as bad as what I'm seeing him now, just because of that video that he made and said that he gave contact or success to Isaiah Young. That alone, no matter how eloquent he stands today, it doesn't move me, because I already know that he's part and parcel of the problem. Anyway, let's continue with the woman. Please, if you are just joining us, do me a favor by hitting the like button. If you have any way to share the video, please do share it. That's without you, we are not here. You guys are the one making us to come often. If you don't watch, there's no need to stream live.
Our APM was the one that registered Brechi when PM was here.
Now she's trying to tell you the good side of Ogenkere. And the first thing is our APM is the one registered the brig when PM was here. She started not like this. In fact, you know what? Let me take it back again, so that because it seems like I'm pausing it much. Some of you will not follow her previous way, because after pausing it, I have to talk and all that. So let me just allow her to say something. Let's start from beginning, please. Start. Listen.
Hello, wonderful Biafrans, lovers of freedom, my people. I have come here today to address one simple issue. There's a picture you will see of our APM where it says, "Leave me alone." Biafrans, time has come for us to leave our APM alone and focus on the ball, and that is how to get Biafra. Biafra is our religion. We must evangelize. We must not bring anything that will bring Biafra down, rather than something that we keep lifting it up. Our APM was the one that registered Breji when PM was here, and we all know it. That time, all the media teams were intact. We were all together. And nobody objected. Nobody said anything. You all know that in Biafra freedom fight, we are all the same. You can object when you feel that something is not going right, not afterthought, not anything you go and gossip about. So, when we came back from Lati last year, Ngozi Orabufulani broke away. Adanji Uchu followed her. 247 followed her. All of them followed her. Now they are leaving one after the other, forming another clique. We are not concerned. If you cannot join what we are doing, you better get out. That's what Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. We don't owe anybody any explanation. The whole of zoo is the same size as Europe. Europe has 44 nations and the zoo is only one. Imagine Biafra and Oduduwa and Hausa together. It's not working and it's not going to work. And Biafra must come. No matter what happens, Biafra must come. So those of you who have been sabotaging, now leaving Ngozi and making some kind of medicine after death move, it is too late for you. Especially you, 247. You made mention of my name. I never answered you. But let me tell you that there are videos to remind you of what you did. You say that nobody should talk about you, that we should leave you alone. This is the time for us to show you in your eyes, in your presence, what you did wrong. You are a man. You're supposed to think like a man. Breji is our government. That was why they detained Onyendu. That was why the whole Europe gathered and made Finland to detain our PM. So APM, who is now championing the cause of our freedom, you people should leave him alone. Biafra 247. Just watch and listen to yourself and see all the things you caused, and you will know what I'm talking about. All must continue to hail Biafra. Watch.
I am challenging Gentle Yahoo. I am challenging Gentle Yahoo. If Gentle Yahoo can do just one thing, as Gentle Yahoo is standing on the soil of Biafra, if Gentle Yahoo can remove his shoes and stand on bare floor and they say that Ngozi Orabeze never give you money, that last week will just pass, not the one will pass. If Gentle Yahoo can remove his shoes and stand on the ground, bare ground, making leg it all soil, Biafran soil, and then say na true in talk, say Ngozi Orabeze no send money in the name of Biafran government to Ram.
This is live and direct. Today's date being 9th of March 2025. Igor Batobie, General Gentle, is here to prove to Biafrans that he's true son of the soil. And he's here to swear an oath so that you people will understand the reason why he's crying on social media.
mgbịrịmgba amarakwa n'ụzọ dị anya. Onye eziokwu aka Gentle Yahoo have come once again. Today's date being 9th of March 2025. Bụ ahịa nkwọ n'obodo anyị, Bala Igbo, ala Biafra at large. I have come to clear myself over the allegation that was thrown by Ugo 247. Ugo 247, I want to make it openly to you today. And for Biafrans to understand that I can defend myself in all corners. I am pulling out my slippers today. This is it. And I want Biafrans to confirm it. Oburu eziokwu na mu receive only 1 naira. Mu Gentle Yahoo receive only 1 naira. From Ngozo Rabeze, since Nayuku PM, nwere problem onwe. Onolaka finish government. Ana mekubi okwalo bochita. Mu Gentle Yahoo anokwala ndu ala Biafra. Mana I am assuring all of you, Olahu lilunu ha, wele gwego Biafrans, le bukula unu. Unu butego Biafrans una de bukula unu mena anolo hela taafo. Let Biafrans understand this, that Biafrans soldiers are suffering. The Biafran Liberation Armies are suffering. All that in a onwe gongo so rabeze with the Talamo Gentle in this life. Asumumwala Biafra. Elulala nurolum. Igwe koha nurolum. Mmiri no la Biafra nurolum. Alamzo doroko nurolum. No but tata bonko. The 9th of March 2025. Ugo 247. Ola unu ha wele bukpego Biafra. Unu ya nondo. Wepo Biafra. Manuna ama nondo. Were ihe no lime Biafra.
Ekene mo ya ọbụla. Igbo ka m na-asụ. Nenu nwoke ma anya na. Kedu ihe nwoke ma jizi agba mbọ karịa ndị nwe obodo? Nwoke ma akpọrọ Elias Krasolis. Kedu ihe o jiziri wuru n'ọnya nwa buzi Biafra n'isi karịa ndị Biafra?
The moment the thing happened, they sent me the picture. I see him. The same mama, the same papa, I see him. The picture dey my phone now.
Can I finish here with your voice?
Was contracted to go and stop them. Caterpillar went to Awufu. This Caterpillar on the back at your mama, Caterpillar is a evil. Caterpillar, if not for Caterpillar,
Hey!
the healing.
Imane Oremi Juice, as you have seen me, you'll be a sabo, and the person who advised me to go and beg Iken Guru, which is 247, it's not a sabo. Did he advise him? Who go 247, this thing now that you are doing, when I was playing war against NDBOS, you were advising me, telling me that, brother, that I should not go and die for something that I don't know, that I should use brain to.
That is all the video that that is her own evidence and her own proof. Now it's my turn to talk about, to reply her based on this video. I'm going to start from beginning again. Now we are going to keep on pausing, please. Now. Yes.
Hello, wonderful Biafrans, lovers of freedom, my people. I have come here today to address one simple issue. There's a picture you will see of our APM where it says, "Leave me alone." Biafrans, time has come for us to leave our APM alone.
Okay, Madam Betty. First thing you need to understand is that, the reason why Biafrans are holding your APM is because he's holding something that belongs to Biafrans. You don't leave somebody that, that's to tell you that, no, yeah, no man, Biafra kappa. Let's maybe who could the person to return that in Ojo. That's number one. In the same video that you are calling for Biafran to leave your APM alone, is the same video that you are condemning Ugo 247 for saying the people should leave him alone. That makes you a hypocrite. Watch.
And focus on the ball. And that is how to get Biafra. Biafra is our religion. We must evangelize. We must not bring anything that will bring Biafra down, rather than something that we keep lifting it up. Our APM was the one that registered Brechi when PM was here, and we all know it. That time, all the media teams were intact. We were all together. And nobody objected. Nobody said anything. You all know that
by the time Briggy was registered, I don't think you were already in the cabinet, because it's not too long that PM called you to join, it organized you to be part and parcel of the media. I remember when you are hanging around, each time they're doing broadcasts or having media, anything, you always join. Like that our brother said before, that they stop you from practicing your profession as a lawyer. So you started hanging around looking for where to pitch and cool off. That's why you joined the struggle. Now, you don't need to come out and begin to claim what you don't know about, because in the video you talked about where the Mazamagana said, I have not seen you close to where the Mazamagana, so what are you talking about? How do you even know Yendu said? Because you were not here then. When you joined, which is good, I'm not saying because you were not there, don't talk, no. But at least know your level. Know your level. You don't teach people that have been with Oyendu, wrong thing that Oyendu said. You don't quote Oyendu wrongly, because some people still maintain or retain the message of Oyendu in their mind and their brain. You don't just come and begin to say something offhand, thinking that you are brilliant, you know what they're saying and all that nonsense. No, it doesn't work that way. All the code that you are making here, all your claim you are making here, you are actually trying to fight for Oginkere. But the problem is that the audience are more smarter and more intelligent than you. Yes, you're a lawyer, I give it to you, which they said, I'm not sure. But the only thing is that it's not about your profession. It's about the truth in what is going on. Lawyers, do you have a truthful lawyer? No. Lawyers always argue on something that is very, very shocking. Excuse me, just a moment.
Biafra freedom fight, we are all the same. You can object when you feel that something is not going right, not afterthought, not anything you go and gossip about. So when we came back from Lati last year, Ngozi Orabufulani broke away. Adanji Uchu followed her. 247 followed her. All of them followed her. Now they are leaving one after the other, forming another clique. We are not concerned. If you cannot join what we are doing, you better get out. That's what Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. We don't owe anybody any explanation. The whole of zoo is the same size as Europe. Europe has 44 nations, and the zoo is only one. Imagine Biafra and Oduduwa and Hausa together. It's not working, and it's not going to work. And Biafra must come. No.
So, and the Biafra can only come by you forming an alliance with somebody who is not actually fighting for Biafra. You guys say that, because he registered, he's one that he registered Briggy. Oh, because of that, now Briggy belongs to him as a private company or what? He's the one that he cannot go and change document and forge document. And you, Dragon, will go out, picking all the video about to go, something that you don't even know. Like the one, I'm coming to that though, but let me remind you that there's something that you yourself said. When National Dokupo was, buying people in Imo State in name of his boys and all that, you, Betty, and Royce, I can't forget that, but unfortunately, I have been searching for that your clip, because I don't keep record of that, which is another mistake that I made, because I never for one carried this woman in my mind, to be honest with you. There's a lot of things, a lot of comments that this woman have made in the past that if I lay hand on it and show you to Biafrans now, they may even stone you. On a live broadcast with you, Sona Barawa and Eggman, you were telling Biafrans, why are they not crying? Why Biafrans are not crying? When they start to work, by people now, you were there. I watched it live. You were saying, why are they not crying? They should go and tell their madam I'm going to bring it. She says she have army. Let her army come and fight. That was when you people supported Logically to advise the general I mean not to walk. You and the Royce. Your Royce own, I have the screenshot of his own. But that's your clip. That's a very big mistake because I don't count you as somebody that people should pay attention at all. I always see in their platform, oh yes, member. I know you're gonna watch the video, and this is not the fault because you follow me. I've seen you when PM was there. You used to play my video on your platform. You used to use my video to do your own program, which is okay. I'm not against you on that, but coming out now to pretend, pretending that you are this, are you trying to remind the Africans about videos of a good 247? Can what do you think you want to achieve with that? We know, mention one thing that we go said in those videos that is more dangerous than to compare what you said about the operation of Asadu Tokobo's army. Your response as a mother was, let them, Ngozi said that she's recruiting army. Why are you guys crying? Then goes to bring her army, meaning that you also supporting Biafran Liberation Army, not to protect Biafrans. A grandma like you. Then you have the audacity to, you have to play people's video in the past. If people begin to keep your own record, even now that I have made it open now, if I begin to pay attention on your broadcast from this month, this is August, September, October, November, December, because we don't often do program that matter. You can give just actually now. We don't bring anything, don't add anything. Your own is to circulate falsehood. Because had it been that you can have the audacity to add something, and you don't add it on people's platform, just go on your platform and do it. Because normally when you chip this dangerous comment, when you make all those nonsense comments that you make, is when they give share link to you. You comment on people's platform, then you run away. In your own program, your own platform, what you do is this kind of thing. And I believe that Sana Program could be the one that cut and join this one and give you Okute TV. People that, Oluwale department, because so they can have Oluwale department in his own brigade. A lawyer telling Biafrans that because of Briggy, PM was arrested. No more because of the redirection of Biafra. I started by making it clear to us that I don't like talking about, trying to analyze matured people like this woman. It's really a mother like her. But I can tell you that that motherhood, I don't think you deserve the respect. A mother that cannot protect her children. What kind of mother is that? I'm going to naked herself, guy. You naked herself and I fight it. What are you talking about? You think you are deceiving who? Now let's continue. Pay attention.
No matter what happens, Biafra must come. So those of you who have been sabotaging, now leaving Ngozi and making some kind of medicine after death move, it is to
people are starting making medicine after death is better than you that is heartless. You don't share any sign of remorse. Can you now come out now and say, I'm sorry that when Asadu Tokobo was spying Igbo youth, that I made so comment, I'm only getting here and you guys no. There was no time. That did not do anything. I know you claim that he did not. Man, if you get gonna somehow that I have not laid my hand on that video. And that is a very big mistake, like I said, because I don't count you as somebody that people should pay attention to, start keeping your words. Okay, but you, wow. So see, maybe they know that people don't keep your record. You're in as a reporter keep as well. But that our brother actually told us how you run your law firm in UK, in London. Do you think only that thing alone that British government is to stop you and seize your license? It should be ashamed for that. You should be ashamed of that. It's not something that you can proudly, let Biafra know how you have run your law firm in London. That our brother said a lot of things, but you are lucky again that we did not keep that record. But maybe, I don't know if the brother have fallback or he's still with USB. If he watch it, though, he may, oh, we can put it on, so okay, is a fresh one. I hope to get back. Maybe we'll give us a homework. You can do a homework and come back and tell us. Now, so we need to score your sheet, score yourself. In a book that the video of Ugo 247. In fact, let me just allow you to get to that point so that it will make more sense about Gentle. What he said about Gentle. What are you talking?
Too late for you, especially you, 247. You made mention of my name. I never answered you, but let me tell you
Blessed Chiku,
that
thank you.
there are videos to remind you of what you did. You say that nobody should talk about.
The reason why you keep the video because him and Ugo be a quiet person. Why don't you bring a compiled video of why you such a why you beg you or social media? I dare you compile why you such a video. This compile Ugo. Publish it because him and Ugo what time you go as a man, family man, what time nonsense in that. That's why someone no courage than to talk about Ugo, and you have been keeping this video for a very long time. Honestly, her English is too poor. English class, so have a good way, have a good year. But you understand what I'm talking about, say that her English is too poor. It doesn't matter. I'm not here for talk about bad English. My own is not poor. So what are we talking about? The only thing you need to understand is that it's not about English here. I want us to understand how bad this woman is. The way she lied, a mother of her age. Oh no, Todd now. Oh, Todd. He have the audacity to come out. Why is such alone? Why not combine her own and publish it? Go host to one week, you put it on them. I'm telling you, host to Hannah 1 week now. Why are you begging? Man, if I'm working and then I compile, and some of the videos in a compile, all of them doesn't hold anything serious. When Gentle said that thing, after that, what happened? Have you seen Gentle coming out again to start talking to say God did not do that? We'll go even make another video reminding you guys that you will never see Gentle again to come out and make that kind of video. You go say it on a live video. Why don't you add it to your video? Then ask yourself, why did you Gentle did not break that that statement of Ugo? Do you know why Ugo made that video? Have the courage to tell Biafran that Gentle will not come out again, and Gentle did not come out for a reason. Or massive non-reporter because you don't deserve it.
About you, that we should leave you alone. This is the time for us to show you in your eyes, in your presence, what you did wrong. You are a man. You're supposed to think like a man.
Oh, so you actually, so you know that he's a man. Okay, before we talk about masculine ladies first, let us talk about you ladies first. What have you done as a mother? Clapping for Gekere to change document, to siphon and hijack everything. A lawyer that is against accountability. What kind of lawyer? Please, someone should tell me that maybe this guy, this woman is not a lawyer. Maybe no, didn't the case in a village. What kind of lawyer is that? That is afraid of, that is supposed somebody who cannot even document anything. You are against somebody who cannot document anything as a lawyer. A lawyer that is a lawyer always, they, you know, everything about them is evidence based. They want to have an idea of what they're talking about. They want to see the proof. They want to see evidence to judge, to accept what you are saying. Somebody that has Oginkere as a real name when Biafran issue is being mentioned. Then in US where he's living, all his documents appears as Ayog. Who is the owner of this masquerade? You are in support of masquerade in the Biafran movement. You are in support of a masquerade. And they tell them the morning and the request of what kind of nonsense is this? And you are here telling with all that your certificate, I can bundi brigi. Kuche isiawo. Then kusikwendo kugo tolugoli isiawo na number. Akana magijigijigijigi going at you can't. Some people respect yourself. Not my age. No, not my dear. Why would I say my dear? Do I know you? You should respect your age. Everything you are saying here is upside. You can't. You think you are talking to who? The reason why this woman started by talking about that Nigeria is bigger and this one is this. You get why? To condition your mind to the nonsense that she's about to say.
Breji is our government. That was why they detained Onyendu. That was why the whole Europe gathered and made Finland to detain our PM. So APM, who is now championing the cause of our freedom, you people should leave him alone. Biafra 247. Just watch and listen to yourself and see all the things you caused, and you will know what I'm talking about. All must continue to hail Biafra. Watch.
I am challenging Gentle Yahoo. I am challenging Gentle Yahoo. If Gentle Yahoo can do just one thing, as Gentle Yahoo is standing on the soil of Biafra, if Gentle Yahoo can remove his shoes and stand on bare floor, and they say that Ngozi Orabeze never give you money, that last week will just pass, not the one will pass. If Gentle Yahoo can remove his shoes and stand on the ground, bare ground, making leg it all soil, Biafran soil, and then say na true in talk, say Ngozi Orabeze no send money in the name of Biafran government to Ram.
This is live and direct. Today's date being 9th of March 2025. Igor Batobie, General Gentle, is here to prove to Biafrans that he's true son of the soil. And he's here to swear an oath so that you people will understand the reason why he's crying on social media.
Okay, the thing is that as this woman, the money you are talking about, the money that Gentle is talking about here, did Gentle receive money or not? Gentle said he did not receive anything. But the question is, you guys were saying that no money was sent. No money was sent. Gentle was speaking for himself. So remember, Gentle, as of that time, did not refuse to identify himself with the USB. Because of what? Ogenkere. Because of Ogenkere. So if you are in position of COS, will you send money to somebody who said that I don't know you, I don't recognize you? I feel the baby. That's why some of us are making arguments. Send money to them. Send money to them. I'm not against sending money to anybody, but can we also be realistic? You are. Let's assume you are in your local government chairman. Let us use Nigerian system now. You won election or you are being sworn in as leader of any political group or post. Somebody identify himself that you are not my leader, I don't know who you are. Will you allocate something to that person? Or the difficult to do? That's number one. May I present and get this condition? Another person is somewhere to destroy and to bring everything down. You just ignore it and focus on what? What are you going to focus on? When, after making this video, Ugo also responded. Have you asked yourself why Ugo said what he said? That Gentle will not come out again to say that kind of thing. Then after that, Ugo just kept quiet. Gentle did not say, oh, no, I am here. Some of you also was waiting for Gentle to come out again and bash on Ugo. You did not see Gentle. It is now that Gentle started again, based on what has happened and all that, which I'm not here to talk about it. So this woman may know, but you know, this gang, they are all gang of liars.
Media.
Gentle Yahoo, I've come once again. Today's date being 9th of March 2025. Bahanko, Lobodan, Balibo. at large. I have come to clear myself over the allegation that was thrown by Ugo 247. Ugo 247, I want to make it openly to you today. And for Biafrans to understand that I can defend myself in all corners. I am pulling out my slippers today. This is it. And I want Biafrans to confirm it. Oburu n'eziokwu eziokwu na mu receive only 1 naira. Mu Gentle Yahoo receive only 1 naira. From Ngozi Orabeze, since nna yuku PM nwere problem onwe. Ono n'aka finish government. Ana m ekwubi okwu ala ụbọchị taa. Mu Gentle Yahoo anokwala ndụ wefa ala Biafra. Mana I am assuring all of you, ole ahụ niile unu ha wee na-ebu ego Biafrans na-ebukpula akpa unu bute ego Biafrans unu ada ebukpula akpa unu mena anọlọ hela ata afọ. Let the Biafrans understand this, that Biafrans soldiers are suffering. The Biafran Liberation Armies are suffering. All that na onwe.
Please, I just noticed that some of us has refused to like the video. We have spent 1 hour here almost. This is 56, and only 78 people have clicked on that button. It is very, very poor. Let me assume that you did not remember. Please do me a favor and like the video. I want my target here on this like is 100. We have only 78 at the moment. So please like the video, click on that button, and let the like button, let your like, be seen on the video. Very, very important. God bless you as you do so.
Gentle in this life. Asimumwala Biafra. Elulala nrolum. Igwe koha nrolum. Mmiri no la Biafra nrolum. Alamzo doroko nrolum. Lobochi tata bonkwo. The night of March 2025. Ugo 247. Ola unu ha wele bukwego Biafra. Unu ya nondo. Wepo Biafra. Manuna ama nondo. Were ihe no lime Biafra.
Now, another thing is this one. You see this, just what Ugo said here. This one also see it as a problem. She sees it as a sabotage. She sees it as something wrong. Now, listen.
Then woke ma kedu ihe nwoke ma jizi agba mbọ karịa ndị nwe obodo? Nwoke ma akpọrọ Elias Grasolis.
Ịma na Igbo na-asụ n'onu n'onu na nwọta nke mụ na bara Igbo nke mụwa. Otu gosu ekwu okwu a na like kedu ihe oke otu o si agba mbọ kara ịgba mbọ something positive, right? But what you go want to take, what you go is trying to say here is that this guy is too forward, like on our force, so we are in. Amaya kind of amount on our and everything else supposed to be my own here. And knowing fully well what the man is doing is somehow negative. So these people, I don't know how they see it, but for this one to bring it here shows that Duman also don't quite get what Ugo is trying to say.
Kedu ihe o jiziri wuru n'onyanwa buzi Biafra n'isi karịa ndị Biafra?
The moment they...
Now, she did not allow that video to play much. What Ugo said there, what Ugo said on that video is that Elias is in for something very, very dangerous. So this woman somehow captured that part. That's why she bring it up. That's why she added it here. She added it here because she know that what Ugo is pointing, because they know the job of this woman, this man. That is to tell you that all these things going on now, all these things that they are doing, they are not doing it because out of mistake. They know it's a deliberate act. They know they know what they're doing. And it doesn't matter, they keep on doing that. Please hit the like button if you are just joining us, like the video.
Thing happened. They send me the picture. I see them. The same mama, the same papa, I see them. The picture they my phone now.
Now, that when the thing happened, they send me a video. This is when Gentle's brother was sent to judgment. That was the time Biafran Disunite was shouting that, oh, Ngozo Rabeze working with the Bubago. You remember that when they were selling that nonsense, this woman also was clapping for that. A mother lying against her fellow woman. No proof, no evidence. Even if others are doing it to gain something, what do you think you yourself want to gain from that? What exactly? They're happy that Gentle, he decided to sweat to clear himself and all that. After that oath, they are all happy. Okay, we'll go. You see now, but your own APM cannot swear. Why don't you also call it your APM to swear that he did not do what Biafrans accuse him of doing? Push me. No. APM, don't mind them. I'm going to give me. Don't mind them. Bully me not bad. So bad. No problem. Me guy can need it. Just bully me not bad. As she liars everywhere.
Can I finish here with your voice?
Was contracted to go and stop them. Caterpillar went to Awufu. This Caterpillar on the matter, Caterpillar is a evil. Caterpillar, if not for Caterpillar,
hey,
the healing.
Now, the issue of Caterpillar, Ugo was trying to be real. Okay? The same people talking about Caterpillar, I'm not in support of Caterpillar, don't get me wrong. I'm not in support of bringing Caterpillar at all. But these people that decided to share this and start talking about it, okay, are you guys working with US or not? If you actually hate that US the way you guys are claiming that you do, who is Nkiru that is now holding post? Who is Eunice BP? Eunice PB, sorry, PB, not BP. Who is who are they? Who are they working for? Where did they come from? What was they doing when PM was here? The same people that also use their platform and begin to rant and shout that, oh, Ngozo Rabeze is what is the name of this group? People's Club of Nigeria. Whereas they know that their colleague there, when they're shouting, is also from People's Club. It is now that woman decided to part away with them. Hey, it's better than you go. You also People's Club of Nigeria. But all this month that you were talking about Ngozo Rabeze belong to People's Club of Nigeria, that she's a Nigerian agent. Anybody that belongs to People's Club cannot give you Biafra. Ruben Nadi was with them. Nobody like me, I don't even know who belongs to People's Club or not. This is not my business. But now they are now referring her as Madam People's Club of Nigeria too, because the woman questioned their APM to come and show us, how far. Let us know what we are doing. They are all running helter-skelter. Do you understand it now? But they want to call other people's name. They want to use their platform, criticize other person, talk down on other people, while having the same thing they claim they don't like in their midst. If Ruben Nadi did not decide to go now or question Ogenkere, by now she would have been part and parcel of the Ogenkere brig, no problem. What does that tell you? That it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter the group, there is not a problem, but they will also use it to criticize other people anyway. They will use it to criticize others. Because to them, that's the best thing to do. That's how to get back at people. That's how to bring the person they don't like down.
As you have seen me, you be a sabo, and the person who advised me to go and beg Guru, which is 247, it's not a sabo. Did he advise me? Who go 247, this thing now that you are doing, when I was playing war against the DOS, You were advising me, telling me that, brother, that I should not go and die for something that I don't know. That I should use brain to
issue of Sia and Ugo 247. Ugo have not come out to reply Sia on this. Maybe I have not seen that if there's any response from Ugo on this one, because this is a personal issue. Just like when two friends are talking and you're advising your friend to take it easy. Don't do this for your own sake. But being who Sia is, all three senior to just to make all these are people that if you like me now, if I see anybody that behave like this, that you can bring what you and friends talk, inside, I decide to use it outside. I will be very careful what I say, no matter how close you are to me, I will, because I know a time will come, you do the same thing. So that's the end of the video. We are going straight to another video that this is our brother. Credit to the source, the person that shared this to me. God bless you. Listen.
For Biafran and the Biafran government and all. So before I sent money, somebody called me. Somebody called me and identified himself. And after the identification, the person told me that that I should not pay in that money. That he have received some this thing message, okay, that I should arrange this thing the way me arrange. Please don't want you go on a background there. Please remove the song, please. Please. We are begging you, sir, please. Thank you, sir. So now, after K send the money, I come to discover the same our brother started attacking me, saying that they don't trust Simon Ekpa. That Simon Ekpa is bad person. Simon Ekpa jiwe mehanka. Simon Ekpa jime nkozo. All I know, I'm fighting for our freedom. Yes, and I'm not asking for anybody's support. And the reason why in Otua is that achomima onye nwurunu obia bozo akwa biye na akpoto. So ihe no bu ya gawa aga enwe ihe need si me ka mmaru. The person tried all he can to blackmail Simon Ekpan before me. That Mukedonium Geso or Mazin Nandekano cause Simon Ekpan cancel. That Nangoze Agiri that money and it won't be put at work. So Obro Yeni no Kochakanga Akoweba. So I'm saying that there is no problem. That me myself, I'm trying to see Ngozi also face to face. So when Zonia send Ngozi my invitation, Ngozi reply at the person, which I still have here. I will still show it. And the reply Ngozi. And we Ngozi said, if there is anything I need, abulo money. Am I mean by what I need? That's in the support of the Biafran government also. I should let her know. Now, I'm trying to let my brothers to know that a family that divide himself cannot stand. A family that divide himself, the family cannot stand. Let us come together first and achieve what we are looking for. If Simon Ekpan is worse than the devil, if he comes out to say that na yeni no neme bo take the other person say yeah, or no content, no bo real, no GMA this and that. Good and fine. At last, when you have evidence, you
only DOS. You know, these are people that Ogenkere is trying to emulate. That PM in the court in Finland, they said that he's a content creator, copying Nigerian media and expecting progress. How is it possible? That PM said that he's a content creator. Can you just imagine? So this not only Nigerian newspaper, because I've seen a Canada kind of platform repeated the same thing. Anyway, make I not go that side. Make I not go that side. Oh, but also below where? It's not good.
Because I have my, everybody have his, and so with every other person. So now, the Anambra government is after me. If anything go wrong, you people should hold Soludo. Though nothing is going to happen, because but if in case anything will happen not to me, assassination or whatever, I want Biafrans to know that Onyemoniang the crash bu Soludo. Soludo, the governor of Anambra State. Because I know Biafrans cannot attack me. Of course, in as much they are fighting on the side which I will belong, but they will not attack me. Nigeria force will not attack me for a reason. Yes, they will not. But this attack, Nigeria come with DSS their own time. Now, the story has changed. The beating has changed. This evil beating started from the day I told the governor of Anambra State that he should release our brother. Onabunkwe for that number pastor. Kedu connection with the native doctor being a kwokoko. And I told them that I don't have any connection or anything to do with Akwokoko. If some say that is my spiritual father, it is an insult. Number one, I am a gentleman. Akwokoko is a type that come outside, he throw money on the air and all that. I don't do that. If you see me where I'm doing my style is pure different. It's pure different. So now, the problem Mona governor of recent governor, the problem I'm with Weketa is as a result of my property. The governor sees it. The governor of Anambra State sees what belongs to me, which he has gave me appointment to come and see him. I adjourned the appointment. When we reach, the governor gave us time by 10 in the morning. We were there by 10. We waited till 2 o'clock. I sent the first message. He replied the message, said, I am coming. This thing I'm saying here, if it did not happen, I won't be saying it because it will be automatically blackmailing. And I will stand to defend it in the court of law. Soludo, you asked me to come, and I visited your office. I stayed there for 8 hours. You gave us 10. I was there since 9. 10, you are not in the office. 11, 12, 1, I sent you a message. You returned the message back to me that you are coming. You are busy with someone, that you are coming. 3, 4, we are still waiting for Soludo. Sir, are you God? Why are you doing this? Is it because we elected you as our governor in Anambra State? And that is why I made the video that raised to these people trying to assassinate me. That is the video when I come out here. If you can remember the last video I made before you stopped seeing me on social media. The last time you saw me on social media was when I was complaining concerning Soludo and the trailers Soludo CZ. I was telling my brothers and governors, any governor, you know you are my friend, please, you're a friend to Ebube Jesus, please, this is the time I need you. I'm still begging. I am not fighting yet. I'm still begging. Please, all the governor that knows Ebube Jesus, I'm begging you in the name of God, please, help me to talk to Soludo. I'm not challenging his government, and I'm not blackmailing his government. That trailer, OCZ, Soludo CZ, 3 trailer, 2 big ones, Ofubo small one. And those trailer, SBT, he happened SBT in the trailer. Soludo, if there is any gun found in these trailers, jail me. Soludo, if there is any illegal thing that is found in that trailers, jail me. The only thing that you called an SBT in those trailers is Biafran Lapa and Ekero Mwani. Soludo, you have a mother. You have a mother. Uneche zokwana na akufecha odalawo. Yes. Akufecha yeni no feru. Omegini odalawo. I personally ordered for that lapa uku ogodo na asusu Igbo. I ordered it. Since our big men refuse to do that, let me start as an example. That's why I'm order that lapa, that clothes. And the full container with machine, 360 pieces of machine. 360 pieces of machine. Those 350 pieces of machine, I may order, it will look as if alone a court, I will not be able to defend it. And we can Ajoam, who is I myself, what I ordered is 400 pieces of machine. But the owner supplied that 360, saying that he is going to push down the remaining 40 to me before the time I want to share it to my brothers during December, before December. And there is something I'm preparing. I am not interested in any seat. I am not a politician. I don't want people's money. And that's why everything I'm doing here, I'm doing it with my own money. So please.
And he's in this guy, this our brother is in homeland though. He's in homeland. You can see his efforts. Betty Ford and Oginkere. You come and see people.
I'm begging Soludo. I'm begging Soludo, please release the drivers of those car, those vehicle. Soludo kpochiri those drivers. Igbo bụ ndị Hausa, ofu bụ onye Igbo, and refuse letting them to go. Soludo, those trailers is not my trailer. Oh. Those trailer brought my trailer. The only thing but my own is those clothes and those machine. The properties being that small diner covered and the two trailer that we are seizing, they are not my own. You are putting another person that is trying to feed his children in problem. Soludo, I'm begging you. Remember, like I said earlier from the beginning, I am not ordering you. You are a governor, and Anambra is my state. So I am begging you, please, release these drivers. Let them go. When I was told that this thing is from federal, I went extra mind, contacting every personnel that I know to work in this matter. And finally, I discovered that, please, your sound, your voice, your this thing, please. Finally, I discovered that it's not the federal that is seizing those trailers, that is you. And my people in Anambra State, I contacted them and I saw the video because you told them that you want to die everything. Soludo, did you want to share your political children, my machine? That will be over my dead body. It is not a challenge, but Nasusibo, please. Now, coming to Akwa that you presented, that your boy, one of your boys told me that is why you are angry over me. Soludo, you are angry over me because of Akwa. See, your boy told me everything. You can say it's my turn at the very on a very good day, it will be my turn. Soludo, I'm a pastor, but let me say this to you. Okirikiri ka na-agba ukwu ose adịghị enu. Nkiri ka na-ekiri ụmụ Chineke ji ha ya erekwa ọgwụ. You are a governor, I know. I will not report you to Ateze. I will not report you. It won't be like the last time. I will not report you to Ateze at all, so that you will not say that Akome every year I abakura ato again a phone. If not for ato, I will not. If for those bike, those aqua lapandi newani inweru nne Soludo. Your wife tomorrow will become newani tomorrow. I will not report.
This is just the reason why I'm playing this very long is for some of us who have this mindset of now the politicians will give you freedom. Now governors will be the only solution to this. We are talking about freedom that you know that you cannot get with that politicians. This thing has, like he said, I have done my findings. And it happened that there's nothing like federal government here. How many of you remember when I said that when you hear, oh, this guy was fired because he's talking about Biafra. The other one was kidnapped or jailed because he belonged to Susu group that is for Biafra. That 2/3 of them has nothing to do with outsiders. It's in Igbo that want to be more Nigerian than owner of Nigeria. Even though you are not welcomed in the same thing that you're selling your people for, you know. You can hear the story, right? Video of Soludo lecturing people before he become Anambra State governor. He was telling them, "Nanda wiki you know, that kind of thing. Give them listening ear." Today, he's now the one in charge of Anambra. Look at what he's doing to his own people. Even if so, how can the Igbo man hit Biafra to the extent of seizing clothes that has Biafran attire? Yesterday, I told us that our people are not ready. Some of you are murmuring, "Oh, how can you say that Biafran have been late again?" I'm not saying that Biafran already declared is wrong, but our people are doing making this more difficult for us. You understand what I'm talking about? We often hear Fulani invade this home, invade other home. Somebody who is part and parcel of this thing going on, will spend his time to fight those who will fight against Fulani coming to invade villages and buy people that his own people that belong to him, because his mother is using diplomatic passports, brothers and sisters, diplomatic passport. They can fly in and fly out. In fact, they can put a call to plane that's about to take off to delay for them to join and fly. How many of you can do the same thing? This is the reason why. Look at the story of this our brother. What he's saying here, he spent his own money, purchase something that has to do with Biafran. Soludo is using all his strength to go all out against that, to frustrate him. After working as a governor, he will, when the same thing that he enabled begin to happen to him, then he will expect people to come out on social media, begin to talk about his welfare. Not one day, you know, after all, is he the only governor? Where we have former governor of Ekiti State, former governor of our people will begin to analyze him in favor of his own welfare. For example, if we look at Peter Binan, people are hating me, fighting because Peter B want to become president. They have forgot what Peter B did when he was a governor. Oh, he made Anambra free education. Then there are some bodies that abandoned in a Izu River. Human beings died under his watch. Nobody faced any trial. Nobody, sent to jail. Nakwe Genti. If you push me now, you say that, "No, that's all that came from Vetra. I was not in town when it happened." But you were there. When you came back, what happened? So Soludo is not doing his own, because until you begin to keep record of everybody's, you know what I'm talking about. Look at the they speak. Look at why he's such a. Look at Oginkere. They are doing all those because they know this time you just forget about it, is old story. Then if anything begin to happen to them tomorrow, let us pray for our brother and sister that is down in sick bed, that is going through trauma, that we cannot be here. Allow Fulani to deal with the person, to do this for the person. Someone have used his own time to deal with you. I'm just saying. My God. Now let's continue.
You to ato. I will not. Because some people are by a report to get to ato. Mano makifu vida. Emarugo yeminu. Emarugo bem neje. Man, I will not do that. Because I from not year the next thing in achievement. Then I will not do that. Actually, the kedu mafia akwa okuko. Enwere ya akwa okuko megi. Enwere evidence igosila ini nwete na nka akwa okuko. Ekwu m na ga release akwa okuko. Chineke pucha ya and say yes, and it is right. It is right. Unu say na ha say na mbo genwa sorukwo say na ndị ụmụaka na-akọ eri that na mbo na akwa okuko dị akonyanwa na akwa agworo m ọgwụ. So be it. Onye ọbụla nọ ndụ a ga-akọ akụkọ about him. Mana onye ọbụla nsị adịrọ n'ike wenye aka enu. Onye Igbo ka mbụ. Ejiro m ụjọ ti ikorobịa. Anatubem. Draw all these governors in Afumunaha. And when the governor go 10 naira, Nathan go 20 naira, that governor should come out and say, Bube Jesus, you're a liar. When any governor among all of them, I will not start mentioning, let the person come out and say that Bube Jesus has given you money. I will drop Bible. I made my money. I don't beg any of you money. But what I want to beg you now, mekweye gaboru techi, ina ganozo, ki di free. Chetekwa nwanna inwoke, onye gini ya compete na governor the last time. Ongokwa. Odi kwando. Please, hey, can any man downstairs that place? Please, I'm on live. Open and there too much. I said you hoche na the other side. Bubru hoche na company. Oh God. So like I was saying, our governor, because you are our governor, and you say I disrespect you. I don't disrespect you. I'm only telling you to do the needful. I'm not also telling you anyhow. I'm begging you. Release akwa okuko. And we are going to come not as a war. Please, immediately you get this video, I want you to share this video to Oba people. Ndi nne Oba mama. Ndi nne Oba mama o. Ndi nne Oba papa o. You to Oba when. Please, any them 150 youths 150 in the youth Noba. Any the mundine 50. Yes, ndine kwesịrị involve. Any the mundine 50. Making it 200,000 and 200. So because onye naturally join ya. I jecha bata, I will see you. I jecha bata, onye nge merugi. Mana that day I ga apụ. I ga biagodo fi igwe bunu. Akpụta efi, enwe ike gbuo efi na abụọ maọbụ ofu. Ọ bụrụ ikpunye godo igwe ofu efi. Enwe ike gbuo ofu efi, wolo ofu kene igwe. Anyị ncha niile eje ije maka akwa ọkụkọ bụ nwanne unu nwoke. And then na-ekwu unu nkwa. Ndị youth niile pụta for this movement. Each person ga-ekete 50,000. Each person gekete 50,000. Ndị nne niile pụtara ije a anyị ga-eje this month. Unu nye m reply from now between 26, 27, 25.
I want us to go if I want us to go on car, but can I? Let me just allow you to play. I want us to go on here.
Nga di free. Unu nye m reply ndị ọba. I ga march to government house. So ngebu Costa ebuo tiro onwe m ma nna abịa. Ọ bụzie na ndị chọrọ iso anyị karịrị otu ahụ. Then achọta moto dị available. Any moto enweta I will pay. M ga-enye any youth put out for that movement 50,000. Ndị nna anyị biko gị bụ onye nne fima mma marụ dat na mama mbịa iji gị mee caricature. So iche na the 50,000 the two poor. Kedu eme na mama here 1 million. Ma check enu mgbe nyeru each person 1 million. 200 pieces. Akwanya 200 million. Onye Nigeria ji amakwa na Nigeria. Then kezie ngenye ndị Biafra.
Okay, that is the end of the video. Let me just end it here. So you have heard it all. Soludo normally claim that Biafra is, you know, they need to do this and do that before he became governor. Now everything has turned upside down. Everything has turned upside down. Let me welcome you. Anybody that wants to comment on what I've discussed so far, from petty foil to this, so you can. If not, we can end it. I have shared the link for some of you that have anything to comment on that. If you have anything to comment, this is the time for you to come up.
Ana m ekene ụmụ Biafra ndị ọma njem ọnụ ebe ọ bụla unu nọ wee na-ekili m n'ụtụtụ a n'ehihie n'abalị a. Ana m
Okay. We have Nolin. Come to Mike, man. You're welcome.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Nakweba. No, yeah, good evening. Oh,
You're welcome.
yeah.
You're welcome.
My comment, aburo maka video. Ina nife na-ekwu ọfụma. Okay, isi na my comment aburo maka video iplay ikpeazụ. My comment maka Betty. Anofia no UK. That woman ekwensu ka nwaanyị amma. Ọkwa onye so ọnụ si n'ife jide Simon Prime Minister Simon Ekpa maka Bridget. Oge fa na-eme program ikpeazụ. Ọ ga-ana amarọ oge mụnwa amarọ na Simon na-eji. Ọ na-vam na-eme program. Nwaanyị a wee pụta wee na-akọwa na amarọ m na-akwụsịgo ofe ụgwọ na-egosigo fa. O wee pụta na-akọwa na Prime Minister bụ ọbata osu. It's like no na cause problem na ọ bụ other cause na ọbata obi emi na ọbata osu. Wee sị no ọbata osu bụ onye na cause problem. Ọbata obi bụ onye bring solution.
Yeah.
Na amụgheli. Ihe kwuru m aghọta. So mụnwa ọ n'ikpeazụ ka nghọta ife na-emere na mgbe afọ na-akwụsịgo ofe ụgwọ. Nwaanyị a bụ na-akwụsị na na ekwensu ka onye amma. At least gị na ekwensu na-alụkọ ọlụ ịmaghị intention ya ma not destroy, to kill, destroy and maim everything bad. Mana onye nke a ị ga-eche na nke na mmadụ nọ. Mana ịmarụ na ekwensu ka onye amma, at least ịghọtago direction ekwensu. Onye iru fanta ọkpa koku, ifụrọzi aka ya ifuru iru ego kọsigove enye gofe ego. Ọpụta onye ekwugheli onye nwụrọ ife ọ na-ekwu enwụrọ meaning ịjụọ ife okwu tomorrow ọmamụ ya because ife okwu tata abụrụ ife ọ ga-agwa tomorrow. Ịsọ ọnụ si na maka Brigi ka eji wee jide Simon Ekpa. Ọ bụghịzi maka declaration of Biafra. Ifuru ife human being nọ na-akụgheli. Onye nwụrọ direction, onye abụ ego. Onye abụ just well fanjali bụ ofu ife. Ego kọsigo go brain fa. So farmers ife na-ekwu eli nọ nke pụta ọ na-ekwu ka ọ bụrụ na ọ na-ekwu okwu. Imagine isi na ife jide Prime Minister bụ maka Brigi. Ka ife onwe to do with Brigi ka ife onwe to do with the redeclaration of Biafra. Also mmadụ dị ndụ ka na-ege ntị ọpụta mmadụ dị ndụ agbakọba na-ege ntị. Ọ na-ekwe m aghọtara mkpụrụ obi. Ọ na-ekwe m aghọta ife ndị be anyị na-eme. Tetis na-agwa gị ife na-eme na media kịta na ọ na-egbu m alịlị karịa ife ọzọ. Mana nsogbu adịrọ. Ya fapụ elu gaba enyegofe ego onwezi enwe brain ego bụ ife nkesa ọnụ ọ na-ekwu maka ego enye ya. Ọ na-ekwusi onwere enwe truth n'ọnụ ya na ego mana ofu mbọsị ya bụ ego ga-agwụ n'ụlọ. Ọma dịgide onwere asị na things onwere ife na-last forever. Enye bụ ego ọ ga-agwụ. Ọ gwụrụ n'ụtụtụ ọ ga-agwụ na mgbede. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my God bless you. Thank you for joining us. It is very clear that she's just for money. Everything that she's saying is about money. So I have shared the link. Anybody that want to make a comment, you still have time to do that. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. All right, you're welcome, Madam Origin. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Kai. There you were.
Biafra, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Madam Nolene, thank you so very much. You know, no wonder they said iron sharpened iron, or in the other way, on the other hand, we encourage one another. This morning I was just so like, God, when I listened to that woman, Becky or whatever you call her, the echo by the woman that called herself echo by, just when she calls her Bettina Guanumere, you will feel sorry for her, but at the end of the day, you'll be like, what? And when you hear people like this, and so many of them, I hope I have greeted my wonderful Biafran, well-meaning Biafrans, because there is still a remnant. With all that is going on all over this world and all that is happening, you feel discouraged. You just don't want to. You feel like, what's the need fighting? When you look at these people, educated, non-educated, politicians, professors, doctors, PhD holders, people that you look up to, you look like never even think of looking up to anybody, because be sure they will disappoint you. And you look at this younger generation, you look at the generations that are coming, you ask yourself, is there a hope for them? When you listen to people like this woman, so-called learned, they call themselves the learned, whatever they call themselves. And look at what's coming out of her mouth. And that is why I always come out here to make this statement that is so important to me. That the refusal to take sides on great moral issue is itself a decision. That is why when I sound like a cracked cymbal, when I sound like broken, when I sound like I'm not making sense, I still keep on speaking, because I have made a decision that this evil must have an expiry date. That all these loud English speakers, vernacular speakers, elites, politicians, literate, illiterate, PhD holders that have taken grab this world and are destroying it, coming out to speak, and the so-called good and nice people have run under their beds. It's not going to solve our problem. That's why I especially thank Madam Nolene, because I was just almost like frustrated. But we made the decision that great moral issues, we must not keep silent, because that would be a silent acquiescence. That is silent endorsement of people like this woman. That Martin Nandikano said they deliberately misunderstand you. They deliberately, as smart as she is, look at how she brought the matter up. And that is how they have left millions in bondage, because they speak as though they mean well. What I call a mixed salad. Inside the salad is cabbage, baggage, all kind of carnage, all kind of deceit. Look at this woman, an adult that have brain in her head. She knew, like Madam Nolene said, they were laughing at her because they already know, they have already done all the planning. They did all the planning, how they're going to railroad the 50 million people that voted with their BLOOD. Because in the contraption, in the place where they are, look at what this other guy was narrating. this tracking of people that speak the truth inside the contraption. People that say that they don't want to remain in that evil system that are mopping out lives every day. And the politicians are keeping quiet. She was saying that Mazi, what's his name, that resigned, that he resigned, and that Ngozi Orabueze left, and all of the crap she was talking about. She said that their APM was the one that registered Briggy. Look at this woman lying from two sides of her mouth. And she knew that Briggy existed, was registered before Ogenkere was AKA Ogenkere. Please, it's AKA Ogenkere. We don't know his name. Whether it is alias or what is the other name he calls himself. We don't know his name. This woman is here with bold face, cold, evil face, railroading. If anybody that is praying and say, God, I'm tired of what is going on, I need to be in a place where I want to help my people, and that person comes and listens to this woman, she would think she is saying the truth, except for those of us that research and know that she is evil. You see how they would drag you to talk about them. Me, that never want to talk about any human being. Look at these people. And she lied. Ogenkere didn't register. Ogenkere was asked to go and amend, because there were some people that had to be, it's just the way they amend a document. Ogenkere got there, AKA, got there and made himself president, changed the organogram, changed everything. And she said, lied that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa endorsed or gave a consent. He instructed him on a particular thing to do. Ogenkere went and did his own thing. And this woman, a defunct lawyer, she will not tell the world who she is, but she will put a face as though she is. You see how they just outright evil. She was talking about Biafra. Which Biafra are you looking at? The Biafra they want to bring to the people is the Biafra that endorse Ogenkere, the Biafra that will sit on evil, the one that look like where we are running out from, the one that will tell men on ground and derail them, confuse them, because they know they don't come out all the time to know what is going on, and tell them to allow invaders to come and buy our people. That's the one, the kind of Biafra she is talking, and not the one we want. This woman, when they cooked up with CRC and all the chatter, this woman was there. And they cooked up against the man that has suffered and tried to rescue his people. This woman was among the coup plotters. And when the CRC, defunct CRC, found out that they are biting, that the man they coronated to be the head, the chief of their evil, has outsmarted them, they ran away. She will not tell you people that Bryce no coma, the other one that carried our account and gave to them. The honor Joy Robi, that they left. Nobody is going to, you see, the one that baffles me is that how people here they buy look at farmer if enemy. it's so silent. You know, it was like, oh, they moved, they have gone their own. But when one person leaves the government, the United States of Biafra, they begin to torment them, because most, go and check these people, a lot of them that left you know, I encourage you, pray for our cabinets in the United States of Biafra. They are going through a lot. They are going through blackmail from these evil people, the likes of Betty. They are going through a lot in the hands of the one that called herself a boy. They keep cooking up things. They keep setting them up. They keep lying and sending up all this with the Nigerian government. They set all kinds of things that you can't imagine. And when there is a little mistake and there is a step down, they blow it up. This woman, look, let me tell you, there is the difference between you and every other criminal is that if they believe you just put a face. But to check who is a criminal is to check the heart, check the antecedents. I want her to go and score herself. I'm not going to be here to talk about whatever, because the level of impunity that has grown wings and is flying, the wings are being plucked one by one, is a good news for me today. It's not all bad news today, because I heard, and it's even all over the place, that the place, what do they call it? Is it Canada have been able to do what I have been praying for. Because all this while, it has been our children, the people in the village that are dying, their house ransacked, their children maimed, all manner of atrocity going on, and nobody is, helping. Everybody is running out of the contraption. Everybody except the perpetrators. They all have all manner of houses and visas where they run to when they gaff, they run. They go there until things cool down. They come back. Or they snatch it, grab it, run away with it. And to God be the glory, at least one country have woken up. Canada have said APC and PDP, the two axes of evil, that they are now proscribed terrorists. I can't. It's so beautiful. It sounds so good. I'm so happy they did not say it is Nigeria. They carefully crafted out the two axes of evil that brought out all manner of international terrorism inside Nigeria, that are buying people every day, and they are busy enjoying the loot and don't care. So Betty, if PDP, APC can be remembered for their evil, you too will be remembered. You and all that have caused pain to Biafrans, you will be remembered. And you'll be given the appropriate name. You will no longer deceive the people. The time is coming. Mazikai, are you there? I think I will stop it there.
I am here. I'm here. Listen to you. I'm here. Thank you so much. Thank you. And what's the name? Mercy of God Mission / Braham. I don't know what you mean by that nonsense. You are here trying to respond to Obed. You said, "Cry me, river, Obed, and hung transformer." Okay, let me give mic to Ijoma. Mercy of God, I'm coming back to you. Just a moment. Ijoma, please unmute your mic. Ijoma, are you there?
Yeah, I am. I just trying to close where I was watching at the computer. Yeah, Mazikai, I thank you so much. I greet you for all your efforts. I hope I'm coming out good, right?
Yes, you are. You are. You are. We
Okay,
can hear you.
yeah. So thank you. I appreciate all that you're doing with your sincere hearts. We can read your heart. We can understand you, those that have brain anyway. Like one brainless one is typing on your platform now. So many of them. So many of the
Thank you.
brainless Nigerians. I don't know what has become of this our new generation. I keep saying this because when I see what some of us are doing, I begin to, wonder. Are these people really Igbos? Are they really Biafrans? Because so many of them are not representing who we are, honestly. Then I begin to wonder, could it be because of the social media? So we don't train our children no more. Social media is what is training them. They don't have conscience, they don't reason again. I keep wondering so many of things, but still among us anyway, we still have those who are really, really wise. That when you say one, before you go to two, they will tell you whatever you meant by that. Somebody like Kai. Somebody like Nnamdi Kanu also came from our area. So we still have people. But it looks like majority, or could it be that those inconsequentials are the ones making noise and it looks like we are being represented by them? Could be this other way. Anyway, let me leave it like that. Who wants to learn will learn, and who wants to, understand will understand. You can't force it. And then there's another adage of ours that says, Adamu akebenanka. So whichever way you choose to whichever part is left for you. You see the truth? The truth is straight, no bending. And you see that truth, you can only suppress it for a while. Because when the time comes, it surfaces. Only God knows how He brings it to the surface. Not you that will like to suppress it forever. See? So you wise? You are not wise. You are only destroying yourself by doing the evil way. I'm just giving you inconsequentials, you idiots that are out there trying your best, because you can only try and give your best. You can't do more than that to hurt the good thing that Biafrans are doing. You know where you are. You know what you're suffering. You know that you are not in a good environment. Take yourself, you are individual person, as an example. Probably you had the opportunity to step outside. How about the people you are living at home? Because what you do, if you are really taking care of your own, is you go out, you walk all your ass out, because you're sending money to maintain those you live at home, who, if the environment had permitted, will be helpful for themselves. Then you can live your life as God has made it. You're not living your life. Your people down there are not living any life. And then we are trying to see how are we going to save the situation all what you do with your stupidity is to come out and castigate this person, castigate that person. Don't you see how stupid you are? For God's sake, for once, get sense. Kai, I may be deviating, but that is how my mind and my spirit is leading me to talk. Please.
No,
Pardon
it's
me.
okay. I understand you. I
Pardon
understand
me.
you. You're welcome.
So, our people, I'm not talking about this. You look, if you look at this Betty of a person, you see her inside and out. Because anytime she comes out, she's talking rubbish. She's one of so many of them. So many of them. So I don't even know where she is now. Is she with the CR? What do they call it? CRC Republic or with
No,
the?
she's still fallback. She's still in the
Oh,
fallback.
she's still in the deep. Okay.
Yes, she-
So she's still falling and she will continue to fall. They don't have anything to offer. Nothing to offer. Then come to social media and be confusing those little brains they can catch with their lies. That's what I'm saying. Look at our people. Those you think, anyway, they are who they are. And we're going to treat their fuck up and put them where they belong to, which is where they belong to, where they are now. Because they don't have anything to offer. You can imagine, since how many months now, all what is still reigning in their brain is how to bring this person down, bring that person down, tell lies about this person, tell lies about that person. And they feel they are selling. They feel they are sending message. You can imagine that. We have a big task at hand. That task is to separate ourselves from the evil contraption. Who among them is talking about a way forward, how to do it? If they don't believe in DPM, you don't believe in her and her ways, okay, start your own way. Start your own way and do it the best way you want. We will see supporters. All what we need is to get out of that place. If, like, I see somebody now, an individual, I don't know his name, but you just played his I just came in then when he was talking. He said he's going to bring out this and bring out that. Whoever wants to follow me, let us get this. Those are the people we want. If you repent today, if you wake up today and find out that, oh, now I know I am in a deep mess, I want to start from today, we support you. That is what we want. I'm not trying to talk about this person, talk about that person. How about you? What are you doing? Don't you see the problem? We want to solve the problem. Don't talk about somebody who is doing something. As I call you a beast, an idiot, a fool. That is not worth living. Yes, I go to that extent because you people are causing us pains. Those who are focused, those who know what they want, and they are going after what they want. You people are causing us a lot of pains. This is all what they did. They look at how. If you leave me, I will talk about it tomorrow, my dear. Just call my attention when you want me to stop. I will stop because this is too much. Look at our DPM. Our DPM, how long did he come in? Did you see what he has already achieved within that short time? Those are the people who know what they want, who know how to go about what they want. At least if you know what you want and you don't know how to go about it, and you see somebody trying to do, all what you do is to support that person. Because you don't know. Support that person. Is what he's doing about getting us a freedom? Yes. Support. And stop being a bitch on the internet. In the internet. Stop. They are talking about template now. Look at the idiots. What do they know about template? Okay, let somebody bring out the template that he knows that Ngozi is not following. They're not bringing it out for us to see. You see how stupid they are? If they have the template, let them bring it out and point out, okay, Simon put this one, put that one. And what you know the baffling thing is that once they bring out all those nonsense, you will see people dancing to their tune. That is the baffling thing. This is how, after we suffered under the snow in Finland, declared everything, which they didn't want to, we came back and they jumped out, and because we said, okay, let us rest for one day, because so many people were still on the road, some fell sick. Let us just leave one Saturday. That is what the DPM said, one Saturday. They jumped out and began shouting of men on ground. You see where we are now with the men on ground. It is what they cause. These stupid idiots that we jump into because they have the phone, they can talk. Confuse so many of our people. Till tomorrow, those that are still following them. What single thing have they achieved, my dear? If not bringing up pictures. What is the single achievement since this when we came back? How many months now? Template. You know, following template is now following template is now following. After they had already shouted about shatter. You see where we are now with the shatter. The same pattern of the idiots, how they play along. Because they want to tap into your brain and destroy everything. You destroy your reasoning faculty for some of us who fell because of ignorance. They destroy the little thing you have.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma. Thank you. You have made your point. Armstrong, God bless you for the super chat. It said that the Fallback Republic are gone for good. You are not far from the truth, my dear. That's all the facts. And speaking of the template that you were talking about, it's not Betty Ford is not even talking about the template anything. One thing I want us to understand is that in Fallback Republic and Fall Deep Republic, there are classes of people there. They categorize themselves in different departments. Betty is in the group that even if Ogenkere want to now build form alliance with Obedient, officially Betty will be there because Ogenkere is his own taproot, her own taproot. So she's there not for Biafra or to achieve anything. Forget about it. It is just how to make sure that Ogenkere is doing fine and the reward of supporting Ogenkere is coming. That's all. So whether it doesn't matter the name you want to give it, whether you fall back, you fall front, you fall sideways, or you want to start digging a fresh hole, it will be there for you. That's your own level. Then Akbarawa own is doing his own, and at the same time looking back, you understand that this is just a business venture. Let us just mine as much as you can. Now you have the chance, and he's doing good in terms of mining from the gullible Biafrans. Then you have another group like where Eggman belong, who actually want to appear that they love Biafra, they support Biafra, they this and that. But at the same time, the motive, the agenda is to make sure that somehow Biafran keep on deceiving Biafrans to believe that you are for Biafra while building himself. And anytime his own have expiring date. Once another person bid higher, he dropped the old person and grabbed the other one. For the fact what our sister Noreen said here, that Betty said, and Eggman was laughing and smiling, just to tell you that the hatred they have on PM, no be here, no be here. Just that God is protecting his own. If not, if you hand go feel rich PM all this while, therefore don't miss battery or cement and force wire wall like that. because the hatred is second to none. God of wonders. Omuto Mag, you are welcome.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing, sir? Well done, sir.
I greet you.
I'm just listening to what that woman is. You know these people, you know, she's with Ogenkere, not because of any other thing. It's because of the money, the dollars that they have been getting probably from him. That's what all I see from them. These people, they knew very well that what they are doing, they knew from the deep of their heart that they are not doing anything for Biafra. They knew. So I don't think any Biafran who has a real deep thinking faculty, we take them very seriously, to be sincere, because she know what she's doing. So, and she was talking about maybe what Ugo 27 said about Gentle and all that, and how Gentle come out to prove himself that he's innocent, he has not collected money from God or from the government. You know, these games, we are not children. We know what these people can do. So Gentle, I didn't say it, I didn't accuse him. He may not have collected money directly from Gozi. But does it mean that they have not given him money from the government? Maybe we hear stories that they begin to tell us, maybe they collected how much from Gozi, Butuzo said he sent so amount, maybe he sent it to Caterpillar, maybe it's supposed to from Caterpillar to get to all this one. But we know that the government have been sending money to them. So they didn't Gozi have her own personal money to send to Gentle. So what are they trying to say? So Ngozi doesn't have her own personal money to send to Gentle. So, and just like they are just trying to just gain ground. Probably maybe one or two person can listen to them, can reason with them. That's what they are doing, sir. It's not as if they don't know that they are already in the wrong path. All those they already know. They are just trying to maintain position to still be relevant.
My brother, when they decided to edit Daily Post to add their own headline news, that one.
I was even surprised. Imagine, you see, sir. You see, let me tell you, we are mature. We are gone beyond that. We are mature beyond. That's why I thank God for what the DPN was saying about education. We are mature beyond that. In fact, a mature person like me now, with my business, with my work, I will not have time to be doing all those things, to deceive one person over there, to believe on whom I am not. So it's just like, if sometimes I look at it, I say, what is these people? What in fact, how are they reasoning? You have family, you have children, and you will sit down to begin to do all these things and these lies. Just to gain.
Yeah, this is wash. They just call you in and brainwash you.
And brainwash you.
Method.
The only thing that I know, they cannot brainwash the Biafrans. You know, let me tell you, sir. You know, in this kind of social media also, there are some people who come there just to gear them up, so that they will continue in their foolishness, not because they want to follow them, not because even they want to. That's why when they come to fall racing, they are always disappointed. But sometimes when they do program, they see this one will come. You know, Bama know him very well. If you do program now, anybody that comes, you are not even saying anything. Why you are coming to attack him? We will just buy your heart and say, welcome, brother, welcome. So that even when you want to say anything negative to, it's like he's trying to buy your conscience. Those things, we know it. We knew it. You understand? Before you have even appear into his program, we has already welcome you, trying to kind of make you feel at home, buy your conscience. So that even if we want to maybe probably fight them or attack him, we will not be able to. We know all those games. So I think that what do you want to say, sir? So I think that I think that they knew what they are doing, and
do.
I know that at the end they will live to regret it, because all what is happening now is history will record it, and that's what a lot of people don't know. There's one thing: we shall be remembered by what we have done. There's a song we always sing in the church that said, "You will be remembered by what you have done." All what they are doing, history will tell about them, even in 100 years to come, because we are talking about freedom. So that's why anything that someone want to do is a legacy you are laying, but they don't know. History will talk about them.
They don't care, my
It's
brother. Some of them will replace Ifajina. The name of Ifajina is trending. People are using that to, each time we want to talk about how bad this people are, you say Ifajina, Efulefu. Some of them will end up in nearest future. Their name will replace those Ifajina, because like I said, people like Betty. Today we are talking about Betty. We don't often talk about her, but she tried to bring her neck out today somehow. So let us just remind her that we can see. We can still see.
Just like you say, nobody knew. Nobody is taking note, because I don't see her to be anything in the freedom. So we don't even know her. So it's when you are saying something that I begin to recollect that it's like I've been trying to remember that it's like she has been having such comment before in the back. If not, nobody even recognize her to be anything in the freedom. So she don't even have anything to say.
She has made a lot of negative comments in the past. So many of them. Just that, like I said, each time I see some of them, I will just jump and pass.
With what you are saying, I know from Biafran will still bring some of the videos or the comments she has made with time.
With time, people will get hold of that.
Maybe she won't Biafran to just silent. I don't know why old women like this will not respect themselves. When you should have been somewhere taking care of your family and gain respect. You are bringing yourself
somebody that started loading, like if you go to the Nigerian people that work in garage, like motor park, where loading motor, without wearing shirts, what that kind of thing. Would that shirt not find their body, not find themselves like heat, na hot weather, na load the car, that. The person, some do that kind of thing in the early 20.
Yeah.
Roll na 40. In a expect go change to buzel somebody a quiet and humble person. No, almost all his life, he spent the guy reaching a load more than a pack. So go how to both in my goose in them, but don't know what you had. Odogia and the person have done this thing for years. To change that person easily is not easy. So fast, it's not easy. It's always a very long thing to do. Some people don't even have patience to accommodate that kind of people, and they are not in the movement. They are because so Imalo boy, I did those things. Some of these people have done a lot of things. Some of them, the way they do their lifestyle. One researcher, for example.
You know what is happening now, sir? They are showing their joy that PM has been arrested. But some of the Biafran, they don't know. For the fact that Bam is coming to prove himself now that he thank God that Finland hold prime minister. Okay. And he wanted to tag that one to what Ngozi is doing. But Biafran know. They are coming to show their joy, their celebration.
Now, listen, my brother, this fallback and fall deep that you are hearing today is not just because they want to. It's not because they want to build Biafra. No, just like you said, as they celebrate the PM have been taken away, they also want to use this opportunity that he's not here to frustrate him, to frustrate anything that he will offer or whatever he will do when they release him. So that's why they're in a haste. You can see get changing documents so that when PM comes back, PM have to start talking about new registration, and COS somehow understand that idea. That's why she's talking about But to some of us, it is a no. It's a no for us. Why must you? But you don't know that the agenda and the intention of these people is to make sure they hijack everything and frustrate it, so that when PM comes back, it will be very difficult to do it. Imagine you spending 5 years to build up something, and in the space of 3 months, people that claim that have been with you all these 5 years could not even wait to destroy it anyhow, just to do it. So when you look at the action, how long did it take them to bring out memo on how to bring new leadership, knowing fully well that you have a structure that is supposed to continue following that structure? They don't want it. It's not as if the person that is in charge of that is going to emerge or continue their taking charge of the activities and everything is a novice.
Like Akparawa is own, sir. Just like you say a statement once at a time that Akparawa is second to Sime. Sima, how did they call him? That Akwa Ibom. You see, Akparawa and Sima is like they are having the same. In fact, I still remember what you said then, that even when issue has not done was like, did you say Akparawa just remaining little to be like Sima? You see, Sonia Akparawa came one certain time to tell Biafran that PM name was not removed. And he began to read a kind of a document that it was some people named that were removed. And I was just looking at it, I say, God. Now, okay, PM name was not removed. So now, who is the president according to your present document approver? Who is now the governor and the president of whatsoever you call yourself? Is it not Ogenkere? So if PM name is not removed, then what position will PM occupied in this place? Even if you are claiming that PM name is still there,
let me help you.
Are you not doing PM?
Let me add something. Let me just ask you this question: do you think that they don't know that they remove PM's name? Do you think that they are doing it because, like, to them they still maintain PM's name?
I knew. How will I not know that they knew? It's intentional now.
Okay. Now, do you know why? Do you know why they came out? Do you know why they are boldly telling you in public now that PM name is not removed? Do you know why they're doing that?
So that kind of explanation is just very devilish. That PM name is not removed, and Ogenkere is the president. So who is now? Which position are we now giving PM?
The reason why Sanabarawa is saying that is to mock that you people say that your tribe is mad. You guys claim that you are intelligent. Yes, so that he's now using your people to do like to rubbish your sense of reason. So you said that Igbo people are very smart, they're intelligent. Look at you people. I can do this in your before you couldn't even, you don't even notice it. That is what he's doing. He just saying those things to insult Igbo tribe. That is it. It's not as if he don't know. He know. You changed document and you printed a fresh new document and you said that PM name was not there. Then show me where PM name is mentioned there. No.
It's mentioned there. And
so my brother, we know others. Sanabarawa is something else, but I don't blame him entirely. Ogenkere is the one who chose to
I believe strongly that Ogenkere and though maybe this Fall Deep Republic, CROC, they may somehow not know the plan of Ogenkere, but I still believe 100% that
they know the plan. The reason why they are trying to act as if they don't know now because of the Ogenkere is not trying to play smart on them. He can maintain agreement. He will not. The agreement is that any money that comes out, don't hide us, don't sideline us, show us, tell us when you are going to make money, any business, any transaction that we're going to do now, any deal that we're going to strike, get us involved. Now, Ogenkere is trying to continue the business without telling them. That's why they're fighting. People don't know this, but that is exactly what the reason why they're fighting is this. Ogenkere felt that now it is time for me to also use and dump them. You understand? And
I understand.
CRC also need it. They know how to make money like this. Ogenkere also, this is what they have been doing. Ogenkere said that he's a billionaire and trillionaire and all that. What is what's the name of his company?
What is his someone that don't even know, we don't even know where it's coming from. He himself doesn't even know the state where it's coming from. We don't know his business.
Apple, yeah. Man, he wants you to know that he's a billionaire, but he don't want you to know the nature of the business. It's not.
And you are coming. You want to be a leader. You want to lead Biafran. That they don't even know where you come from. They don't even know your business.
The guy, you know, black market.
Even Nigerian system is still better than Nigerian system is still better than if we have a leader like Nigeria will be still better than us 100 times. I'm telling you the truth.
All keep us Nigeria government business Hane which Adam and Egu Gani somehow. Before that is only a zona. Mano can be to go na bonus there work and local no yawa. Na Sona brother for Sona brother to say that Biafra should be thankful that Ogenkere that God gave Ogenkere gave Biafra Ogenkere with the academic highway. These are people telling you that investing that has happened to Biafra is Ogenkere. That if you doubt, give back as if Biafrans have been looking for whom to use to register brigade, and he's saying those things so in presence of those that actually people that are involved in that registration that know how the whole thing happened. Like me, I don't know much about it, but people that is part of them or that was part of them when they registered it have actually said that this thing that Ogenkere is saying is totally out of it. You don't need such a requirement to register it. But coming from Sonabarawa, that a man that devotes his time, they did daily posts and people's daily posts, their own newspaper headline. Now this 24th century, edited it, and the part where he's supposed to put published, he put daily post. He put daily post.
And there are some Biafra with all your exposition. You will still see there are some
people don't know this. I challenge anybody that if you are in doubt, please go to bring Sona Akbarawa's Twitter post where this daily posts, the way they're circulating the Nigerian news, how Nigerian news is reporting about the APM that submitted with one powerful evidence against Nigerian. They are trying to divert US government sanctioning Nigerian government as is part of Ogenkere's visit to
and his airport.
This is to tell you that they themselves know that Ogenkere visiting there is just to deceive their friends. And Sona Akbarawa is doing this thing just to mock Igbo people publicly. Enough for some why buy and they won't buy and they will 8 p.m. Good evening, sir. Good evening, yes. Listen, but that what I when he say these are people that we are here in America. This is a liberty country. This is this and that. You have been there for how many years? 20 years, 40 years, 30 years. Even 10 years, 5 years, but your brain is still somewhere in Ogbomoso. Brother, thank you for your time. Don't mind me. You have to end this podcast.
We should pray for this woman. In fact, sometime at PDR, someone who has
please, it is time for you people. If people should start listening to Betty, her utterances. So Ghana, you need to start keeping record from Betty. For you, we are keeping record. Is a wake up call to you all of you to start keeping her own rather.
Biafra are keeping record. If we are not keeping record, do you think all these things we will have be able to begin to add 1 + 1 to get you? It is what we are keeping record.
If we're gonna even editing, if you can see in editing, you will tell to her now no matter one powerful exposition about to go 247. I get it. He forgot that people also follow Ugo, and we know that Ugo decided to step back, which I know maybe he will still come back and all that. It depends on USB government and Ugo as well. So if they want to work together, they work together. Ugo don't mean anything harmful to
No, me, I know.
sideline or
I know. Like one thing, like what this brother, I have zero sabi. This brother that talk about Ugo, that he was talking about, he finding it difficult to work with women. He tried to explain why.
Okay,
maybe.
Rose. One thing, some of our people that are very angry. Some of our people, hold on, some of our people that are very angry about Ugo, call Ugo names and all that, they don't even know who Ugo is. Ugo is the only person that came out and told the whole world that Ogenkere paid him money, sent money to him, and sent again. He called Ogenkere and said, "Look, what this money is for? What you send me this amount? Say that you just want to dash me money. Next month, are you placing me on salary?" He asked Ogenkere that kind of, and he distanced himself immediately from Ogenkere. Mention another person that have done that. Nobody. This is before issue. This problems before everybody running head scatter. No, this thing happened before re-declaration. It's not after. Before re-declaration of Biafra.
That means all those Bam and many others, they have been collecting money even right from when PM was still on ground. From this
are you just coming? It's obvious now. What are different? He is the only one that noticed what Ogenkere actually wants. Eggman no, manakpili ge kuru ke madagosa. Opokodu go the door a very rich person. Managwa work but he was able to identify the intention of the money, and he declined it instantly. Other people does kana a check and azo but mas Ugo was the only one. So kind of I check that part. So that's why look at beautiful. You think it's not about media word na no I cannot like it. Was okay get declared equal na P2B is the best candidate. These children of these days are trying to bring problem in our land. As people talking about Biafra, they are trying to bring war in our land. So all of these people, they're falling back. Look at the one called Okute TV, Okute somebody. In Canada, only they for all this in the Kai report. For that one also is also copying, sending an account. One post for the band, we could not discuss that space. And we have to anything you have, let us help our brother. Under abandon abo Makafa actual fan school. Maybe Obelego, maybe 10,000 a place they call. You see what the Ogenkere is paying a lot of money to keep the media. That's why.
Where is the money coming from? That is the question. Where is the money coming from? That is the question. Where is the money coming from?
He's a billionaire. He's a billionaire in dollars.
So he's using his own personal money. In fact, see, we have a lot of I know Biafra will come, but a lot of things. I have a prophecy. Someone said that a time will come, Biafra will come, and a lot of people will not will leave Biafra land. They will now become a citizen in other country because of what they have done. And I'm still holding that prophecy. I know it will happen because many of them will not be able to come to Biafra land. Because of the atrocity, the wickedness they are playing.
My brother, listen.
I'm okay with what I have. Here in the state, I have.
No, hold on.
Money is not my problem. I'm okay with what I have. Here in the state, I have properties that worth millions. Back in Biafra land, I have stuff that worth billions. Hapum Naka. Just leave me. I'm not broke. I'm okay with what I have. I'm already made blessed human being. Leave me alone. Thank you. I don't mean to do this, but I have to do it.
Now let me hold it there. So this is the person in Ajumebo's with ego. Oh, why can I do that? So he gets in that maybe that you are struggling to cater for yourself, your life. You don't to pay house rent. You don't have, the best thing you need to do is to each contact, yeah. Then either in a WhatsApp group, send to you headline news, what you have to go and put out there in your platform. You go and check all of them. All of them on S have a blue tick, verified account. Oh, you go KJ, I did for free. Okay? Verified account on S. Oh, you go You have to card it. Now, okay, get a guy for that one. The same on the template DOS. Yesterday we talked about with the video that we played here about Darlington, not Speed Darlington, sorry, Darlington, Prince Darlington, saying that referring to the whole world that he was the one that started media war by sending cards to some people to share and broadcast. That card they shared it until Mazagano was kidnapped. They keep on sharing it. Then the purpose then was to use that card to propagate lies against PM that not going to happen on social media very, very soon. In our time. So everything, the only thing, unless if you don't pay attention to what is going on, you will not understand it. And that is why we are doing what we are doing, just to let Biafra know the truth. And if you want, you want to keep them, maybe don't know the way you get about that na she need no she get the best department to follow for your career. See the career to get back in this maybe I don't be here. All let me leave it there. Thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate you. Thank you.
God will continue to strengthen you.
Thank you too. Thank you, bro. So let me start from IJ. Are you still here with us? Make your final submission. Okay, I seem like Ijoma is not here. Maybe she's busy. Madam Origin, are you here with us?
I am.
Okay, Ijoma is here.
Trying to come back.
All right.
We Biafrans, we have to advise ourselves. We are intelligent people. I know they always say that Ibames, especially we the Igbo Biafrans, it is most on us. What we are doing to ourselves. So I plead for every one of us to be very, very much now. Where we are here now is the last stage of whatever we are fighting for. If you know you are fighting, to be liberated and be like every other country. I mean, foreign countries where there is order, where there is the government takes care of their people. We have to be focused. Do not be distracted. Don't be the distraction upon those who are doing their best. Support the government that you know today. Starting from our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, when as God is leading him, he handed over, he said, he advised us to follow Mazen, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. We followed him. We all loved how he led us until, assuming that he wasn't doing the right thing, there wouldn't be any need to take him aside. Okay, so that one shows you that he was doing the right thing. The DPM has been following him, has been in the government all the while, so she knows what a DPM was. His intention, his plans, he was part of it. So there is no way you can say, oh, she is not following whatever template you think that is there. DPM had already set all what he wanted to be achieved, and the declaration and everything. If you look at it, you will see that The declaration, these people, inconsequential people, never wanted the declaration. That alone will tell you that they are not for, they are what we are looking for, our country, which we already got USB. They were not there because they fought against it. So what else do you want to know about, who is doing what, who is doing the right thing? I thank you, Mazekai, for always bringing.
Thank you so much.
So
God
much.
bless you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
bye.
much. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate.
Yeah, thank you.
God of Wonders, let's hear from you. Just 1 minute, okay?
So what I would just encourage the Biafran is to
hold on,
okay.
God of Wonder. It seems that Madam Origin want to make a comment before she go.
Okay.
Just I will come back to you.
Yes, before I leave, Mazikai, thank you so much once again for what you do. It's immeasurable. God will continue to bless you. I want to say this with all that we are saying. It boils down to the same thing. I like what our DPM said. One of her sayings. She said, "Miri anaghị onye ọ na-afụrụ ụkwụ ya." And for all our Biafrans, everybody needs to please guard their hearts. Guard your hearts. Because if you don't guard your hearts and you submit yourself to these lies, don't blame anybody. Because you are the one responsible for every decision you make. No matter how these people lie, no matter how these government of impunity continue to do what they are doing, every evil have expiry date, and if you are there, and I'm bringing this also. You see, apart from the fact that I'm a scripture person, I understand a few things about our culture, and it is funny enough, there is something I found in the scripture that baffled me. And that is what I'm going to use to sound a note of warning to everyone that pretend that they don't know what is going on and that they will get away with anything they are doing. You see, our gallant men, Mazika, if you notice very well, I hardly talk about our gallant men. Let me tell you why. The reason why I'm very careful, I don't talk about them, is because these people, or or anything, wherever you see it, if you see it moving on the left side of the road, our parents advise us go to the right side of the road and walk, because you can't touch it, you can't hurt it, you can't harm it, because it belongs to the gods. Now, everyone, these people have used their life to cholaja for the cause. Whether they have, they are missing it or not missing it is not for me to say. So anyone that is derailing these people, anyone, it does not matter who you are, that have lied to these people, anyone that is deceiving them, even in the Bible, I have a place where he says, earth, hear the word of the Lord. If heaven could command earth to hear, the earth is hearing, the earth is perceiving, the earth is receiving their BLOOD, and you are going to pay. I highly advise. You see, one of the things I love about Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I have listened to her. If you see, she respectfully talk about the gala day, whether they are cursing her or not. She said she gave them 3 months to make a decision, and whatever decision they made is okay with her. If you listen to the day they talk about when there was a time they were giving them money. Fam Diane says she has the record. So they know when they started giving and when they stopped, and the reason why they stopped. Because they cannot force them. And they also, being Iyagbara or get it, knows the consequences. So whatever they do with the choice they make is up to them. So we need to, why I'm saying this is, you see all these one that they don't care who they buy. They don't care who they destroy, and it's all for money. Everything they do, they're going to receive it. They're going to pay for it. You see, all of them, they all look like, if you look at them, they all look like vagabonds. When anybody begins to eat BLOOD money, that person departs from being human. That person has gone. And all I pray is that they don't deceive many more that will perish with them. I rest it there, Mazikai. And I encourage everybody, continue what we are doing. The world is hearing. Salvation is coming. We are going to get out of this quagmire. If Finland, that is holding our prime minister, went through what they went through and they came out of it, Finland, we will come out of our own. I tell you, we are resilient and we are ready. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you, man. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. God of Wonders, now is your turn.
Yes, my submission, sir. I will say, be strong. You, Mazikai, and all other our brethren, media personnel that have been doing well. You people should be very, very strong. God will continue to help you. And I also want to encourage all the Biafran who know the truth. I know 90% of us know the truth. Those who say they doesn't know the truth, is just deliberate, probably because of their maybe personal issues with PM or with Ngozi. If not, I know that 99% of Biafran knew the truth, and they knew that the government, United States of Biafra government, is real. So I want to encourage the true Biafran to stand with our DPN. I also want our DPN to continue to be strong, to not discourage. God is with him. There's nothing that we do to him. The Biafran we want is not the kind of Biafran that army personnel will be threatening a citizen to kill a citizen. Like some people are here, they say if you come to Biafra land, we are going to deal with you. And you call yourself an army that defends a nation. It does not matter what the citizens say to you in other advanced countries. So then hold your citizen high esteem. Army is his own fight is with the enemy outside there. Those who want to invade the country where you are defending is not your own citizen. So that's why everything that is playing out is for a purpose. So I want to encourage everybody to be strong. Let's support the government. This is what the enemy is trying to stop, and they will not stop it. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said nobody will stop what we are doing. So nobody can stop it. So they are just trying to play a game, maybe try their best, but they will not stop it. So that is my submission, sir. The Lord will bless Biafran, bless United States of Biafra, bless how many of you that are holding the truth. Because the Bible says, know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Anybody who doesn't want to know the truth or who do not stand in the truth, that means in self, that person is not real. But as long as you are sincere, you want to know the truth, you will always know the truth. But anybody who claims that he doesn't know the truth is a liar, because probably himself is not sincere. Neither he know the truth and the truth, or he's trying to cover the truth. And the Bible says light and darkness cannot work together. So if you want to know the truth is always there. So thank you, sir. God will bless you.
Thank you so much. God bless you too, God of wonders. We appreciate. Thank you. We have Mo. Mo, please unmute your mic and let's work on you.
Hello. Ananihe Nkuga.
Yes, Anamanife. You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah, my brother Kai, just want to chip in something to very little real quick. Almost something that our people need to understand. We don't really need all these gringos. I swear down. Look, just take a look around. They are the ones actually messing us up. All the love we shower to these gringos, at the end of the day, they will turn around and stab us with a Monday hammer. Our freedom lies within ourselves. Nobody is going to do it for us. All these saga ndị mmadụ pụtara na-akọ bullshit na-akụgheri nke onye nke akọlụ nke ala na-apụ nọ na France a na-akụgheri ha ga-aka straight that one very soon. Ma ndị na-akụgheri ma all those things. Biko, our people, let us come together. We can't do this thing divided. We need each and every one of us. Please, Biafrans. The people who are actually doing this freedom fighting is the one at home. I swear. Now people where they back home. Now then they feel this thing past all of us where they in diaspora. People where they back home. People where they back home. Make una stop all this ego. Make una stop them. Not all of us, so not be all of una where they back home. These ones where they ego. Make una stop them. How much will they go give you now? Person will like will give you more. Say may you go harm your fellow brother.
Mm-hmm.
Look at our.
All right, your network. Okay, I think our brother is having a network issue. So, my brother, next time you join us on time, okay, please. Thank you, my people, and I have to appreciate all of you. Our brother, Armstrong, thank you for your super chat. May God reward you mightily. And all of you on the comment section, please, before you go, like the video in case you have not. Thank you for joining me, Madam Origin and Norlin and Ijoma. God is wonderful, and all of you that I hope I have not missed anybody. Please. May God bless all of you. Thank you, and God be with you all. See you again. Take care.